Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Can we do it? Yes we can. Today we're gonna replace the front lower model mount. Sorry, yeah, a little bit problem reaching with this over here, sorry. But it's this one right here, down here, you can see it's her. It holds the front engine. So we got a new one right here in this box. I bought it at Amazon. You can buy it. This is the part number right there, you can see. And this is the new one. You can see it's not broken, it's good, and it goes down there like this in this position. You got to take out a bolt from here, one right here, and this one right here. So first thing we're gonna do is put that thing there. We're gonna work in this area. We're gonna go in there. First we need to jack up the car, and this is a Chrysler Town & Country 2008 3.3 engine, and we're gonna put that, and then you put the stand. Safety always. Hi, here we are guys, under the car. You can see the jack and the stand over there, and you can see you gotta loosen these. You got 2 bolt to loosen that, and then you gotta release these right here to release the motor mount right there. That motor mount is bad, it's beat. So yes, this is from the bottom. And also we're gonna move the, sorry, I'm doing this with by myself. Also we're gonna put here down here the stand to hold this up a little bit, you know, to make it go up, to adjust to make sure it doesn't move the engine. So yeah, that's the motor mount. You can see this is the connection right here to all that, and this is where the motor mount is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these. These should be I don't know, 10. So yeah, this is a 10. I'm gonna loosen it not all the way, but at least loosen this a little bit quite. So yeah, sorry. Also these are 16 and they are already pre-loose. You can see they are already very rust, so you should put something when you're gonna put it back in, the anti something to keep it, you know, from all that rust. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put them back. So this is loose. Now I'm gonna lose that, and then I'm gonna bring the like I said, the jack there to hold that in place. So let me do that. So I'm just giving you updates. So these are the 2 you move. Now we're gonna work on that screw there. You can see, sorry about the angle, you can see I put the jack and this the jack right here holding the, and I put a rubber piece right there to hold the thing. I know that looks bad. I gotta change that pan. Yeah, now here I'm taking out, let me see if you can see it from this side. I don't know if you can see it that good. I'm taking out the screw that's there. I'm holding that in place. So yes, now I'm just taking it, and you can see it's getting loose. So yeah, alright, so I put this down, and the screw should be easy to move with your hand. And yes, it's a little bit hard, but yeah, we're gonna do it. Alright, and here comes the screw again. Wow, that looks bad. I'm gonna clean it, like I said, all of them, and put some lubrication on it. Yeah, so yeah, so here is the stand right there. I mean, not the stand, the piece we're gonna move. So yeah, let me stop this and get to work. New one and the old one. You can see it was messed up already, way down, and this is the new one that is going. Make sure they're both the same. Okay, now I already put the mount. It gave me a hell of fight, but I put the new one in. I already this is not tightening all the way. I put it by hand. You can see by hand too, and I put the other one by hand. Once I was up there, I had to drop the jacket just a little so it can go so you can go in there in the right place. You can go in all the way in. So now I'm just gonna tighten that, and that will be all for now. And now the motor mount, as you can see, is in the right spot, done right. Everything's good. Tighten it. The two things tightened. Now just lower the thing and boom, there you go. Wow, done. That's it. Simple and easy as that. You got a brand new motor mount. Let me show you the old one. Sorry about that. Wow. Let me show you the other one, the old one. This is the old one. All messed up, you can see. Oh, sorry, can't see right there. All messed up, right, touching down there. And yeah, I replaced it. That's the new motor mount. Now, oh, you can see this is the fresh new motor mount. Good. This is how you can do it, simple and easy. This is Town and Country Chrysler 2008, and we just replaced the front motor mount.